Okay, we are here at Tinker CAD. Right there. Tinker CAD. Okay, so we're going to use a cone. Go back in here, grab the cone, right, and we're going to set the height to it was 15.88. 15.88. Okay, now we're going to set the lower diameter to, it was 28.31. Same thing here, 28.31. All right, now looking here, we have a base radius of 10, which is this. So we have to set the top radius to 8. So we're going to set that to 8. 8. Okay, so we got a perfect figure to 3D print. Okay, so now I got to figure out how to do the inner part. Okay, hold on for that part. All right, I have to add another cone because I had to hollow this one out. So the bottom part, let's say this is going to be about, let's say I want to make it 9. And we're going to make this one 7. And we're going to do the the 15 or 16. Let's do this. Measurement is going to be 16. Wait, 14. It'll be 1488. So now we're gonna, using the hole tool, we're gonna make sure that's clicked, turn it into a hole so it extracts from the material here. So we're gonna put these together. We're gonna go down to this. Okay, we're gonna select it all. We're gonna go up here, and it's going to align everything. Just gotta make sure that this is aligned, and it's aligned there. All right, now we gotta do is, you see right here. Okay, I gotta add more diameter and more diameter to that. Okay, have them done. It's about right. This is 24 by 24 by 14. So I'm gonna hollow this up. Select that, hollow it out. Okay, now we're gonna put these two together. Get the alignment tool. Actually, I gotta select it all first. Now, the alignment tool. Okay, now we're going to make sure that we select both the center. That's alignment there and alignment here. Okay, now it looks pretty good. So now, select it all again. Well, actually, click out, select it. Now we'll use this one. It's gonna combine the two shapes. One is a hole, one is a hole, and one is a solid. So out of the solid, this is gonna come out. So you click on this, right? So now you see it's been hollowed out in the inside. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is take this and 180 degrees. Make sure it's on 0. Okay, now we gotta take one of these. Alright, and we're gonna make this. It's going to be, let's do 10. And let's do 10 on this one. No, let's do 5. Okay. So we're gonna put this in the center. Select everything. Okay, have to align both middles. Now it's aligned completely. Now we're going to just make it about that side. And what I'm going to do is make a small hole inside so we can put a screw. So take another cylinder. Okay, we're gonna make this one about 2. This one is gonna be 2. Okay, about 2. Okay, so we're gonna make this about right there. I'm gonna put it right. Actually, we're gonna combine all this with this tool up here. Okay, now it's all solid. Okay, I'm gonna add this to the middle. Select everything. Okay, we're going to the alignment tool. Okay, now I'm gonna align side. Okay, we'll convert this into a hollow. Okay, now I'm gonna select it again. Click on combine. And group it. Okay, now we have the small hole in the middle for the screw. We have the piece ready to print. That's it. All right, let's do this.